think it's happening.
Hey, buddy.
You can always tell when someone slows down next to you.
Yeah.
And you're like, all right, why was he in a fast lane going that fast? And then all of a sudden slowed down.
Yeah.
It's because he wanted to give you the thumbs up. Or he wants to race. And I looked at the car and I'm like, nah, he don't want to run.
His uncle's brother, sister, second cousin's daughter's cousin
owned a turbo twin Grand National from the FBI.
Twin turbo from the FBI. That's the guy right there.
Exactly. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a little point of view action for you today because we are headed to Bensalem for the Magna meet. Fires up every time. Nice. Yeah, we're waiting for my buddy John to come over, and once he gets here, we're gonna head out to Bensalem Metro Diner to meet up with the Magna crew. Should be a nice day. We're looking at like 55 degrees here in February, so that's awesome. Listen to that, it sounds good. Don't mind the messy garage, don't mind that. But let's pull this thing out. I want to check the tire pressures because it's been a while, and then we'll go ahead and get on the road once Johnny gets here. Should be a good time. What's up, dude?
Hi.
How are you?
Beautiful.
Good to see you.
Beautiful day in the on Sunday here.
Ready to rock out?
Ready to rock out.
Yeah. It does.
Are you allowed to back up? Balls. I think it's that way.
You do?
Well,
we'll find out.
We'll find out. I see the sign. That's the road.
I think it's happening.
Hey, buddy.
You can always tell when someone slows down next to you.
Yeah.
And you're like, all right, why was he in a fast lane going that fast? And then all of a sudden slowed down.
Yeah.
It's because he wanted to give you the thumbs up. Or he wants to race. And I looked at the car and I'm like, nah, he don't want to run.
His uncle's brother, sister, second cousin's daughter's cousin
owned a turbo twin Grand National from the FBI.
Twin turbo from the FBI. That's the guy right there.
Exactly. Every time I take it out, I get a thumbs up. Yo, that's awesome. Nice Monte Carlo, whatever it is.
Don't matter.
You get it. It's because, you know, we're used to seeing them, right?
Yeah.
We go out of the garage, we see one or two.
I didn't even notice.
In your case, 3 or 4, however many you got now.
Just
yeah, we're used to, and then we meet with our buddies that have them. But like, most people don't see these cars on the road, and it's like a treat for them. You know what I mean? They know what it is, and they're like, yo, that's a badass car. So.
But Jay, I did that back in the 80, early 90s. Whenever I saw one of these, I would.
Oh, you knew that, yeah.
I would hook the tailpipe from my car.
February MAGNA meet here. We got, I don't know, is it 6 cars here? So not a bad showing. It's a nice day. So we're gonna check out, see who's here, go grab some diner food at Metro Diner, and then just shoot the shit, man. It's been a while. Guys are again getting antsy because the weather's starting to break and they want to get out with their cars. So we got 6 cars here. Not a bad showing thus far, and it's still kind of early. I think it's like barely after 12. So we'll hang out here for a little bit, talk some Buick, turbo talk, and then we'll go inside, grab some lunch, and go from there. But yeah, let's go check out some of these cars.
How are you?
How you doing, buddy?
What's up, man? Jay. Nice to meet you.
I have the
John,
I have a white turbo T. You filmed it at the.
Oh, okay.
So this is
All
my
right.
project.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
I just want to say, I think it's awesome you fucking do that.
Thanks, dude. I
watch all
appreciate
your
it.
shit. I love
Thank
it.
you.
It's fun.
Thank you. It's a lot of work.
Yeah,
just for fun.
But it's the passion. That's
Exactly.
awesome.
I like filming and making videos, and
Yeah.
that's the fun of
I
it.
couldn't tell with the
I am.
It's easier to park yesterday. That's part of town. Yeah. Because I pulled in, dude. I shit myself.
So
This is the park a lot.
They'll fix it. We'll get it.
Take the bottom. Take the
I'll buy
bottom.
it. I'll buy
Take
it.
the bottom of it off.
I'll buy it.
I just bought it. I'm not selling. What you do is I want to drive it.
Yeah, I do. I would.
I have one all hopped up already, but I want to drive
the
this
stock. It's fine. It's better than nothing.
Grandpa limited.
one. Exactly.
Oh man, look at the seats. Love them.
Oh, I'd ride around naked if I had those.
Yeah. Well, I already do.
Do me a favor. Don't drive. If you ask to drive this, you're out. You're out.
He wipes his own
No,
butt.
you'll just do like a reach around. I can see it.
Chaudrue bought his really clean 87. Maybe we'll get some footage of underneath the hood there because it is super shiny and tons of chrome. So let's go get some B-roll of that before we get in there for breakfast.
So I get scolded. Actually, Paulie got scolded for a black car going too fast for the equipment necessary to go.
Not guilty.
No, not
him by first name over there. Who are you kidding?
So they tore the time slip in half,
And wouldn't give him.
and they wouldn't give me my time slip till I went to the tower. So we went to the tower. They still didn't give the
I
time
think I
slip.
know this story.
They
yeah.
still didn't give the time slip, so it was dark out there. They'd already shut all the lights out. So somebody was sort of B&E or breaking and entering or...
I told him the other half of that slip's in the time slip booth.
So
They don't take him home.
at the time, the fat girl, Sean
Why she gotta
Farrell,
be fat?
because she was fat, Sean Farrell said,
told John-
go to the store, get the donuts, bring it back to the fat chick, and give her the donuts. She'll give you the time slip, right?
I told Johnny he was going to have to sleep with the time slip girl
Well,
because
so-
she's got his slip.
So I said, well, wait a minute. We go over. So the window was open.
They shut the track
They
down.
shut the track down. The door was shut. The window was open. I'm going to climb in the window. So
I
as-
said- and I said,
you were
"Where's
gonna climb in there with that belly?
I'm going to climb right
So
there.
I said,
was a little
John,
less Johnny
I said,
than
that.
John,
Yeah, it was a
I
little
said-
less of a belly
I said,
then, huh?
Johnny, wouldn't going through the door being a little easier seeing how it's not locked? And he's like,
As half of my fat ass is in the door, like in the window like this, I'm rooting in the trash can. I can't get there. He opens the door, right? We find the time
he
slip.
grabs a handful of time slips, goes back to his car, and sure enough, his was in it.
Yeah, it was.
And what'd you go?
That was only 11.
11:30.
Yeah.
But they still wouldn't give it to you.
Wouldn't give me. Would not get. Because in August of the year before, I was supposed to go to the Time and Tower and get my slip because I was running too
Supposed to
fast.
get yelled at previously.
I was supposed to have gotten yelled at
Your
then.
name was on file.
And my name was on file, but it was odd because they were yelling at him. I was right there. But they were yelling at him because they thought it was because all them black cars that he has. They thought it was him. He's like, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I am with. So anyhow, I got my time slip. I'll find it someday. It's all taped back together again. Why don't you hog a couple of them out?
All right, guys, we're back home. Great time hanging out with the boys. Like I said, there was about, what, 6 or 7 cars out, so beautiful day. Guys are getting itchy. They want to get their cars out, so now it's time to start getting ready. We've got awesome weather here in February, and all of us enjoyed it. And how about that food? That food at that Metro Diner was really good. The sausage biscuit gravies, on point. Highly recommended. So anyway, until next time, we'll see you later. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit subscribe, smash the bell notifications so you know when I post new videos. But until next time, we'll see you later. Peace.